Hey guys. Oh, hi Mello. Watch this, I'm gonna hit the free run button. Yeah! I did it! Are you proud, Sethos? Hey Alex.
I have not seen your loadout.
Well, you will if it ever stops picking. Oh, connection problem. There it is. Okay, you're not dead. This is bank when nobody wants to play. No, oh my god, Seth, this was with your back. Poot. Poot, poot. Everybody RTV! Rock the boat, baby! I wonder if we'll ever get to play a map. Oh, look, an admin.
Hey guys, that admin's here.
Remember, everybody put your pants on. Gotta be good for the admin. I can do that too, Sethos.
Wow.
Oh, you son of a bitch! You know what? I'm gonna eat my sandwich on your dead body. Close enough.
Well, I can die faster.
In fact, I never wear pants when I'm playing Death Run. If I'm playing anything else, I wear pants. Not Death Run.
But pants are not fun. They restrict your movement.
Exactly.
Everybody just glares at that fucking free run button and just clicks it as soon as possible. Oh, well, there goes that guy. I have a rainbow, I'm a magical pony.
Ah, for fuck.
Did you already die, Mello? Really?
Yeah, cause you know, I don't know what is it, but when I like go to crouch, I slide. I don't know why.
Did you already activate that? Shit.
Like I'm at full velocity and then I crouch and end up sliding.
Well, don't do the slide. Oh, and there goes Cephas. Ripperoni.
My frames are really
Yeah, I know that
great
feeling.
now.
I know, I was playing Slime Rancher earlier.
Someone's having sacrifice.
Okay. Never mind.
I'm not.
I did it. Alex, I'm the best. Are you proud of me? Why are you a banana? Why are you a very oddly colored banana?
Because I'm yellow. I love it.
You kind of look like a condom that got mispainted. Just saying. Poot toot. I mean, poot poot. Who the fuck keeps messaging me? God damn it.
Well, why don't you open up your Steam?
Cause I'm fucking... I don't know, because it's kind of rude when I'm doing a recording, you know, all that shit.
And tell the guy you're busy.
You tell him. Oh,
I
exploded!
don't know the guy.
Oh, look, it's a general snack bar or whatever. Can we, for the love of goodness, just RTV this map since it's terrible?
Terrible.
Terrible indeed. 6001, I think.
Got it.
And now you're done.
6001.
Wait, why did you mess up then?
No,
If you know
actually,
it.
I just had. No, I just accidentally had 66.
I hear Gaben coming. Uh-oh. He is coming.
Nice juke.
I know, these jukes, man. The scouts totally got this. I believe in him. His flying guillotine in his bit. Oh, this kid's a professional. I don't know. I'm just being a schmuck, because, you know, fun. God. Those days that you wake up, but you don't really wake up. I think I should play a rage game one of these days. I always wanted to have a heart attack at, like, the age of 22. Oh, look, there's dick butt.
And he's dead.
Well, Cook Scout.
Delicious.
Why can't we RTV this shit map?
Cut banana.
I just want to RTV this map so badly. Well, our Pootis birds are basically the same, except you're expensive as shit.
Your loadout's terrible.
Fuck you!
Your loadout's terrible. I mean, look at it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go sit in the corner there. Fuck you. What's gonna say here? All these scouts beat on the door and hump it. Mello, did you really just miss that scout?
At the scout, what do you expect?
I expect excellence. Especially from you, Mr. Yellow.
Well, there you go. I killed a scout.
Did you kill these scout though?
There we go. The admin.
Well, you know the rule about all the admins on death row.
Yeah, they're terrible. Well,
Oh god.
you.
That's really an achievement?
Shit.
That's more so like killing a handicapped child in the middle of the road. Bullshit, you have blue text! You can't hide it! Cyan, whatever. Well, that just means you have to be bad a little at every server.
No.
That's what I've learned from Dongle.
I like Sethos's RPS
Oh.
ton.
That's not RPS, that's PSR.
Okay, whatever. It's so expensive for. So.
Yeah.
Do you not notice that his heavy bird also has a spell on it? That would be expensive as shit.
His heavy. I can't
Yes,
even
he's-
see it from here.
Sure you can.
Okay. One of the scouts have to sacrifice.
No, you just gotta be faster than that. Wow.
Like that.
Oh, and Sethos taunted.
I'm not that hard to do, to be honest.
That dude got both the trails. What a dick. You should kill the guy with the trails, just because he's greedy.
I'm trying to kill everybody. That's the whole point of Death Run.
I thought it was targeting people like a dick.
Well, targeting's supposed to be against the rules, but nobody wants to enforce
Bullshit.
it, so, you know, whatever.
That's not a rule. I target the fuck out of people and kill everybody else.
I read the rules and it said not to target people, unless that was a different.
You
server.
didn't read anything.
Uh-huh.
Stop making up rules.
I actually did read the servers. I'm not making up rules.
You know, we're checking these rules right now because I've never heard that. Death row. No trolling, blah blah blah, no point capturing,
No
stalling, ghosting, trapping, trading, exploitation. Yeah, there's nothing about targeting, you lying shit. You made me think that I was breaking a rule. One Akbar, one wrench. Oh!
Ugh. That's just great. I should really change that bind location.
Oh, you're up there. I just saw you. We're just gonna spectate.
Yes.
Just watch the heavy bird of majesty. His tiny little mouth. You better not be heavy bird pooping up there, I swear to God. He poops out mini sandwiches. That'd be fucking hilarious if he could, though.
He's right behind you.
They still need a middle finger taunt, though. No, because nuts and bolts is not a nice, unusual effect, in my opinion. Unless you're going, like, robot on a server. See, Ghost's got it.
But it costs like,
What?
2 keys.
What?
We're done.
See y'all later.
Even was already here.
Oh. Is that why the sentries has spawned and shot people in the ass?
Yep.
Ah. I've never had to wait that long for somebody, so...
But targeting is still a dick move.
Dude, the unusual I was talking about, it costs like 42 keys.
So are you gonna actually play, or are you gonna do the free run button?
I'm gonna let everyone have fun.
That sounds like bullshit. Careful, Sethos is notorious for lying about free runs. Just like scare them.
Sure.
See, he agreed to it, dirty bitch. Really? I saw that. I'm a Pootis bird, I can't do this.
What? Okay.
Logic.
Alex, you should join me up here on my roost. And yes, I'm gonna do. Nah. Only one Akbar left.
Fuck it.
Oh.
Oh shit, what's the code? 8655. Okay, so 8665.
Nice.
Thank you. I don't pay attention. That should go and be very obvious that I've never paid attention a day of my life. Hardly even in school. Wait, Oliver's here.
Yeah, obviously.
The bitch owes me $5.
What?
I just love saying that to other people.
$5? Who bet on me?
I bet on you and you lost.
Dude, wow. You're not supposed to bet on me, dude. Also, I went to sleep at like 10 o'clock this morning.
No, Sucker's definitely not admin.
Nick, why didn't you
Yes?
see the bird?
I saw the bird.
Don't you see the sign? Do not feed the birds?
So?
And Jalen will
You
It pretty
guys
much
should go
tells
run
you
into him.
which door is safe.
Oh,
and
really?
Yes. The
Well, I
bird
know.
was on the right, so that would mean that the right door is not safe.
Well, I didn't know that.
I thought you
I'm
knew.
sorry I'm not the best person on Death Run.
Don't the clown.
You guys are no fun.
That's true. Thanks, Sepos.
I love how he's spinning, just like for fun.
Dead.
There we go, get that real nice, like fucking. Here's. Did
Oh,
you?
it's a nice
You went
video.
to spectate before you died, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, I did not notice that he said he bid farewell and did.
I was wondering why that looked so weird. Oh, Alex is, Alrighty then.
Play heavy with you, Nick.
I'm a heavy bird, you are not a heavy bird.
Yes? I'm not. I'm hostile Gato.
Sethos, he's trying to think you have a better, or he has a better, heavy than you. Bird taunt. You should prove him wrong. Let's do the heavy bird follow. Don't worry, I've got my gay rainbow with me. It's my pride flag, yeah! Oh my god, it's just everywhere. I have no clue what Alex is doing, so I'm just gonna...
Shut up.
Oh my.
Okay.
Alex, really?
I got juke.
Yeah, you juked you good. Who Brussels your jimmies?
It's nice to meet you, Nick.
You have to go fast.
Exactly. I'm trying to go fast, but the stupid door's just like pushing me.
We made it.
Wait a second. Yeah.
Well,
Oliver's trying to jump up.
Love the running ears. Wait, I need to equip them.
Much heavy bird. All of them, my heavy is the exact same as yours, so now I have no little duck. I had to get rid of it. We have worms in our chests.
That's normal.
Exactly.
You better hurry up, guys.
You hurry up.
Me.
It's not that hard, guys. Just walk forward into it.
Did you really just... Did you jump on top of that?
Yes.
Can you jump onto the barrel? To your right?
There you guys go.
No.
Dude, try to jump onto the step ladder on the...
So do my dirty work.
2970.
That seems like a trustworthy guy.
It is.
17.
No, I can't.
2970.
God. How you do this shit, I will never know.
Right, 22.
You just jump onto here.
7D.
Oh.
977 0.
What if you could jump on those cabinets to the left over there, by the light?
Oh, can't.
Scout, you
Damn.
said 17, or you thought we said 17. 17.
You know what?
Huh.
I'm gonna go pick a door, just go.
Did you pick it?
Yeah, he has to pick the door.
A minute.
I don't wanna die.
Oh, hi there, Gaben.
Eat the sandwich. Eat it.
I am.
I almost died to that.
Oh, I lived. Hey, in your face, I lived. Okay, I should play first person now, because I'm gonna go punch a wall. Hey, Alex.
Yeah.
Did you die, Nick? Oh, you didn't.
Nope,
die.
I'm alive.
Good.
It's that door.
So what door is it? Oh, it's the left one?
So, do you see the bird?
Yeah.
Look up there.
So, where is it?
I'm gonna tell you which way.
Oh, so it was on the right side, so I go on the other.
I think this thing just moved, so.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So, wherever the bird is, that's the
Language.
unsafe door.
Fuck you, Alex.
Jesus.
Should do minigame.
We made it.
Fighting so bad.
Or we could just do fuck you, Alex, you know, that's always a fun minigame.
Hey, Nick, you remember, remember those old shows?
The what? Aw, we're holding hands. And Pootis.
Just flopped.
What old shows? That's not very specific, you know.
You know what I mean. Because there are multiple of them.
No shit there are.
Oh, Jesus.
I do not see the Jesus.
That's in the top three.
Dead bird heavies everywhere. Poot poot. Look, there's a free run button, guys.
Please don't have it.
Why? I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna fucking hit it. What are you gonna do? Is there any time this free run button is not able to be hit?
I don't think so, really. Like, as soon as the runners are about to, like, reach the exit, you can hit the free run button.
No trail for you.
I was gonna jump over it. but
No
you
life
got
for
it.
you.
You could have saved that trap, dude. Come on. Do the spy.
Give me that chop now.
Dude, oh my god.
Why are people jumping into this shit? I don't get it. I don't understand what is logic.
You can activate it on me, I know that.
I'll activate it all over you.
You're gonna activate this electro trap, aren't you?
Of course.
Oh my god.
I scared you. You thought I was.
You got you. Game. There's 3 more heavies.
We need more heavies.
Almost died.
Whoopsie! Seems I've dropped a barrel on your head, kid, sir. I'm sorry about that.
It's a nice name.
How many heavies are you guys trying to put up there? I love how our heavies are just fucking around. That's beautiful.
What's your language, dude? Come on. 23.
I'm old enough to be your daddy.
How old are you exactly?
I don't know, you tell me.
18.
Sure, let's go with 18. Oh look, road's a map.
Oh, let's pick
Alright,
one up, please.
so I'm either gonna target somebody.
One up is not.
Oh, you shit. I was gonna say don't go in there.
Let's just go.
I do that. Fuck you.
When, where, and how hard.
Laughing just like everyone is sick.
I will die now. Wait, oh no. Medic, can you hear me?
You should have revved up too.
I'm gonna wait, Nick. I'm going to wait.
Cooked Russian.
Take the sandwich. Take the sandwich.
Take that
You
sandwich.
don't need it, but take it. You don't. What the? Oh.
Much electricity.
Dude, come on.
Don't blame me. Alex, you know you want to walk up those stairs.
No.
What the fuck was that noise, Oliver? I love how everybody I know is joining the server now, just because, you know, shit's a gigs.
Basically.
I know if I wait long enough, you'll die. Run, fat man, run! It's stuck on the stairs, that's perfect. Did he walk into it?
He did.
That's the best use of a trap ever.
Right. Someone's have to go. Right on, medic. Medic, wait for us.
Oh no, the free run bun's gone.
I am the
Oh, it
heaviest
is?
primate, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Something's in the way.
This
nothing's
must
in
have
the way.
only worked on that other server.
Something in the way.
I
Well,
must kill what's
you
his
tried.
face.
Medic, wait
Damn
for
it!
us.
Alex! Do fight! I want to punch Alex in the
Medic, help
face!
me. Medic.
Medic, do
help me.
fight! I only want to punch Alex in the face.
No, dude, do it again.
He wouldn't fight me, he's not that dumb. Okay, I stand corrected.
Let me eat my sandwiches.
More like. Ah, shit.
Eh,
What are you expecting?
come here, Ollie. Crit!
How many have he have?
Get in! I have over 700 health.
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. See you all next time. Bye bye!